LubeTech has helped us immensely by allowing us to keep machinists on machines. LubeTech, they'll come in, clean the machine. We can move that gentleman somewhere else to run a different machine. A couple hours later, he's back on his machine, up and running again.
When it comes to industrial maintenance and reliability services, LubeTech has been in this market for over 4 decades. We have tons of industry expertise and knowledge.
We know what machine shop and maintenance managers are looking for in terms of uptime and reduced downtime.
The problems we've seen inside of shops are labor and productivity related.
Our industrial lube experts help over 2,000 customers a year, improving their productivity and increasing uptime for their equipment. With Maintenance 360, we have 3 primary service areas to help support your business: preventive maintenance, fluid reconditioning, and industrial cleaning.
Preventive maintenance means being in your shop on a regular basis, performing critical machine tasks.
Keeping the machines clean through making sure they have the right pH and the right concentration levels.
They keep bacteria out of our machines, so they help keep us safe.
We see a lot of extra tool life when we keep our coolant clean, and that also increases the life of those sumps on the machine as well.
They have the ability to vacuum out the machine's coolant tanks and then dispose of that coolant offsite.
The third element of Maintenance 360 is industrial cleaning. It can be a tank, it can be the inside or outside of a piece of equipment.
We see increased longevity out of our tools, better quality out of our parts, and overall our machines are in better shape.
Uptime clean is another element of Maintenance 360, where we can come in and maintenance that fluid within inside of that machine without ever turning it off.
Uptime Clean will keep every machine running at optimal performance. The savings is significant.
They're very flexible with their schedule. We could call them and say we need someone in, we have a machine down because of a pump that's clogged, and they'll be in same week.
I can't speak highly enough of the LubeTech team and the services that they provide. Time is something you don't get back, so LubeTech helping us keep our machines up is critical.
Maintenance 360 can help you improve uptime, improve productivity by providing outsourced reliability services.